Scrabble Junior, Advanced Level, How to Play. The object of the game is to have the most points at the end. Setup. Lay out the blue blank side of the board. Place all the tiles face down and mix them up. Then each player takes 7 tiles and places them face up in front of themselves. Choose someone to be the scorekeeper. They will need a pen and paper to keep score on. The oldest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, place one, some, or all of your letter tiles on the board to spell a word. All words must be horizontal or vertical. You may not spell words diagonally or backwards. The first word in the game must cover the center blue square, and all words after that must connect by at least one letter to a word already on the board, forming a connected grid. You score 1 point for every letter in the word or words you form, including any tiles your word connects with. All words on the board must be complete, real words at all times. If you cannot make all touching words work, then you need to find a different place to play. If you are unable to spell a word, you can exchange some or all of your letters with the face-down pile and end your turn without scoring any points. When you end your turn, you draw tiles from the pile until you have 7. The game ends when all the letters have been placed on the board. Then the player with the most points wins. For an easier way to play, check out this video.